I'm going to show you how to roll out your quads with a foam roller. So the quads are really big muscles. They're a place where we can store up a lot of muscle tension. So a foam roller can be one of your tools for helping get rid of some of that tension, although it doesn't replace a good sports massage. So we're going to roll over the roller. So you have to just be a little bit careful here. And it requires a little bit of strength in your shoulders and abs. So we're going to get the roller and we want to have it just above the knee. You don't want to be rolling over the bony part, so you don't want to roll over the kneecap. It's just the soft part just above the knee. And once you're in position, you're going to slowly move up and down on the roller. So you use the movement coming from your shoulders to allow that to happen. And so it's quite nice to do a little bit of straight up and down work right through the middle of the quads. But then once you feel like there's some tension releasing there, you could move on to the sides. I'll show you that in a minute. If you find there's an area that's got a little bit more tension, so I've just found one here, you can stop over that point and you can spend a little bit more time just going up and down, a really small movement over that area. And so when you've done that and you're ready to move on to the side, you're going to do like a half turn. So you're going to push up with one hand and take more weight onto the other arm. And then you're rolling up and down the thigh again, just towards the top of the kneecap, but not over the kneecap. And then as far as you can, up towards the hip, but again, trying not to go over the bone. I'm a little bit limited here by the bookcase, but you can move around a bit if you need to get a bit more range. And so I'm getting a really nice roll on the outer part of my thigh there. And so when you're done, you can do the other side and feel a whole lot better.